Hi, welcome back. I'm Koi from Simply Stakeholders. Let's talk contact groups. So, contact groups within Simply Stakeholders are used to sort your stakeholders into appropriate category. For example, if your project involves interacting with community groups as well as government officials, you can segment them as such. This in turn will help you to target specific group for distribution of information such as project update emails or marketing campaigns. Contact groups uses a tree branching structure where you can create a subgroup to further segment your stakeholders. This is designed to cater to any of your project needs as it is fully customizable and easily editable as it can grow with your project. To add a new contact group, navigate to the admin section and select the contact group option. Click on the add button on the top left corner, give it a name, and if you would like to make it a subgroup, select the parent contact group you would like it to be under. You can have up to 2 layers of sub-contact groups. And that's it. This is how you would create or grow your contact group within Simply Stakeholders. If you have any further questions on what you just saw, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us via email support@simplystakeholders.com or straight from the application itself. We are always ready to help. This has been Koi. I'll see you in the next video.